The David Hoyo Swim School has 12 different services or programs. The first one is Pregnancy Swim Fit, which is training for mothers who are 3 months pregnant until their final stage of gestation. This type of exercise brings us benefits for pregnant mothers to increase the capacity of oxygenation of their bodies, working all the muscles and avoiding that the body gets twisted with the umbilical cord and occurs changes of inadequate positions. Also helps the stimulation of the body through the friction of the water. Stimulates the pelvis to avoid greater pain at the time of delivery and delivery itself. Another positive aspect is that it helps mothers not to gain weight and eliminates stress, which is harmful to the baby. After the mother has stimulated the baby during the period of gestation, the decision can be taken if the mother wants to perform birth in water or out of the water. According to the statistic, the delivery in water is less painful and less stressful for the baby, and a beautiful experience for both. The second program we have is classes for babies from 6 months to 3 years of age. Private classes for babies and infants for 6 months of age. The baby is ready to start the first swimming lesson. In a young age, it is beneficial for the baby to have contact with the water, which is automatically related to the amniotic fluid, resulting in a much faster learning. Babies, before entering the water, we perform water exercises, which gives them the tool necessary to have a greater mobility in the water and generating greater psychomotor stimulation. This is accompanied by a series of massages in the body to improve the circulation. Finally, the level of oxygenation they acquire is incredible. Their lungs and bronchioles are strengthened by preventing them from getting sick too often from any colds. The service that have been done on people who practice this sport is that by oxygenating the brain and muscles, the brain creates new neurological connections. They tend to have a better IQ, they retain more information and increase their physical stamina. The third program is for children from 3 years to 12 years old. In this period of work, one of the best benefits that children have is discipline. The teachings of techniques require a lot of constancy to be able to coordinate a series of movements. At the same time, kick, arm stroke, breathing. To learn the 4 techniques, which is free, back, chest, butterfly, exits, and turns of all techniques. Another benefit of swimming in children is that it increases the oxygenation of the brain and muscles, increasing their ability to concentrate and learn, as well as an extraordinary physical development by working all the muscles of the body at the same time. Finally, 100% of children who learn to swim well at an early age and make the sport part of their life, it pushes them away from drugs, cigarettes, and alcohol, since the body does not tolerate this type of harmful substances for the health. The fourth program for 12 years up to 60 years. This is a wonderful stage where most swimmers have thousands of experiences with the aquatic world, experiencing individual and team challenges by strengthening them for life on a physical and mental level. The aquatic world is huge, where the swimmers could experience adventures and competitions in swimming pools, rivers, in the open sea, and all water sports. It also puts the adrenaline to the maximum and gives confidence in what you do. For example, water polo, ornamental diving, apnea, diving, swimming skills, synchronized swimming, open waters, etc. For the elderly, the benefits are innumerable. It works the cardiovascular part and performs an excellent work of low impact and eliminates stress. The fifth program is water therapy for children and adults. Aquatic rehabilitation provides patients a unique means for re-education and neuromuscular strengthening ideal for people whose mobility has been restricted due to weakness and paralysis by any disease or reason. When performing the breathing exercises in the water, new narrow connections are created through the oxygenation of the blood. The increase of the muscular furrows occurs faster since the movements are carried out against the water resistance. This compromise of freedom and resistance is very difficult to apply in any ground-based therapeutic training. This program has many benefits, which are relaxation, it increases joints movements, is pain relief, it improves mobility and strength, and improves flexibility. The 7th program is for children and adults with special needs. The person is able to relieve themselves of their limitations. It increases their skills and self-esteem, improves own strength, control, and coordination by expanding the movements. It strengthens and tones muscles without harming vulnerable joints. The 8th program is the swimming team. At the Academy, we prepare children, youth, and adults for the competitive world of any level, school, federation, or professional. The Swim Fit program is a combination of exercises in the water that is known as the 5-star form of exercise because it makes breathing more intense. Water acts as resistance and the exercises are low impact on the body. In addition, it tones every muscle in the body by strengthening the heart and lungs. The 10th program is training for future soldiers and lifeguards. This training is based on learning all the techniques of swimming and to gain the resistance to be able to be part of the armed forces of the United States. In addition, we train young people to have the necessary knowledge to obtain their certification of lifeguards, swimming instructors, CPR, first aids. We grant the certifications. The 11th program is private lifeguard service. We take care of pool safety while parents are in charge of enjoying their own party, eliminating any type of drowning accidents and where guests can enjoy a beautiful party. It is important to note that the climate in Florida is very unpredictable. In a moment it's raining and 5 minutes after it stops raining. That is why the school makes up classes and therapies only by illness or extreme rain, like lightning and thunder. Within 30 days of the month of payment, it is not recovered for any other reasons. On the other hand, we go to your home or residential pool, trying to adjust to your schedule for your own comfort. If you're interested in any of these programs, call us on the phones you see on the screen or visit our website for more information on each of the programs. Thank you for your time and for listening to this video. If you have any questions, please visit our website or call us for any information. Please like and share this video. Thank you so much.